I'm just now walking into our warehouse. Whoever was in here last left the lights on, which isn't going to please my husband. And this is the first time either one of us has been here since it flooded. I'm anxious to see whether or not they got the water back on. And wow. Well, it looks dry, pretty much. The floor anyway. Well, the good news is it didn't look like there was a lot of damage in the warehouse, but we'll really know when we can get in there and the weather's a little bit warmer. I can lift some things around, and my husband can, and see what the status of everything is in there. They did get the water turned back on. I had to call them at the office though to do it because I didn't know how to do it, and as it turned out, it was shut off at 2 different places. They said that the well pump, I guess, went dry, and then, well, it didn't go dry, it just quit, and then it froze. So what I've been doing is working on some of these little brass things. Look what I found. 6 of these little teeny tiny goblets. Aren't those cute? And I'm sure that there's a flask or a pitcher that's supposed to go with these, but I'm sure I don't have it. So I'm going to just group these together and probably sell them online. And I don't know how much yet, or for how much yet. And I did find a gong and put that together, and I will be selling that one online. This box is, well, it's in an old Priority mail box, one of the little ones. And I've got a lot of stuff here that still needs to be cleaned and, again, put together. I think I've got more little brass pieces somewhere in the warehouse. So, but now I'm going to go ahead and close this. I know it's a short one, but I don't want to just keep focusing on the stuff in this box. So I'm going to tell you good night. I appreciate you tuning in, and have a great evening. God bless you. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.